Hey guys, me and Maya went for a short bike ride. Actually, we thought it would be short, but it became a bit longer. We went through, riding through those forests, which is a truly beautiful experience because of the light, of the colors, and the time of the year right now. It's still a winter here in Slovenia, so it's a bit colder, but it's a beautiful moment because you see slowly the nature is the nature is waking up slowly, and you see all those little tiny flowers slowly getting up from the ground, and it's like a great beginning of something beautiful. And I'm sharing this quick message with you right now because as the nature is slowly waking up, it's time to wake up. It's time to wake up for you as well from that winter sleep, right? Because many people are still asleep, and it's time to wake up. It's time to wake up from the dreams, from the dream state about just dreaming about the future, and it's time to initiate the dreams. It's time to begin to walk towards them. Let's put things into action. Let's move. So this is it, my friends. One love from the forest.